हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग और सुप्रभातम। और आज मैं आया हूँ वाटरफॉल ऋषिकेश में और घूमने के लिए। और मेरे साथ मेरा एक दोस्त है, वो जर्मन से है। मैं आपको उनसे मिलाऊंगा एंड देन से सो गाइस, मैं इधर हूँ वाटरफॉल में एंड लुक हियर वे। How about the experience for Rishikesh here?
Hi Mahesh, thank you for bringing me to that nice place here. And the best experience so far going with you here, being on the warship yesterday was really a nice experience. And yeah, we have still a lot of time today, so I think you can bring me to more places like that.
Yeah, and do you like this place?
Yeah, it's really peaceful, it's super natural, and I like waterfalls in general, so and the view is perfect. So everything is nice. So yeah, we are at the Shiva temple here in Rishikesh, and it's so peaceful and quiet, and the vibe is so relaxed and chilled. So it's really a place where you should go to just take a rest, take a breathe with the fresh air here on the 14th floor, right?
Yeah, 14.
14th floor.